Hey everyone, it's your friend Blighted Grounds, and today I'll be talking about an app called moneylion and how you can make money from it. In the last video, I discussed my favorite websites to share referrals on. However, I never talked about my favorite apps to refer or which ones made me the most money so far. So, I do want to mention moneylion has made me more money than any other app I've been promoting by a long shot. And I'll be telling you why it's my favorite as well later in the video. So let's start off by diving straight into the limited promo deal, then we'll explore more of the app's features. When a friend uses your referral code to sign up and open a Roar Money account, you receive $5. After they set up direct deposit to Roar Money and make a recurring direct deposit into Roar Money of $100 or more, $50 is then credited to both the referrer and the referred user. And if you haven't signed up yet, be sure to use the link in the comments section below. It'll really help out this channel a lot. If you don't see your money in your account instantly, don't fret. Rewards will be deposited into your Roar Money account within 14 days of completing the qualifying action. For a direct deposit to qualify, it must be a recurring direct deposit made by the referred individual's employer, payroll provider, or benefits payer by automated clearinghouse. Bank transfers or peer-to-peer transfers such as PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, etc. do not qualify, so please keep that in mind. So, what perks does moneylion offer besides free money? Moneylion allows you to take 0% APR cash advances of up to $250, whereas traditional credit card cash advances come with a 2 to 5% fee. Huge difference. That really adds up over time too. So you can pay close to 30% APR, or annual percentage rate, on cash advances immediately, so moneylion does offer a much better deal. The requirements for Instacash advances include: you must have moneylion checking account, there must be a recurring direct deposit of $250 or more into your account, you must have completed at least 2 pay cycles of direct deposit into your account before you can start using Instacash. There is a Build Credit tab to view your credit score and build your credit. You can also add your moneylion debit card to Apple Pay or Samsung Pay, which makes spending online through mobile apps or in-store even more secure and easier. You can shop cashback deals at select merchant partners. You can enable roundups to invest the spare change from your transactions, which I really like a lot. You can invest in either your managed investing profile, or you can invest into crypto as well. Right now, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin are all listed, though I suspect they'll list more in the future. They have an option to shake your phone after a purchase of $10 or more for a chance to earn cashback rewards. So usually it's not too much, but it does add up over time. Daily purchases may also enter you to win cash, trips, or tickets to events. Roar Money accounts also have no foreign transaction fees, no overdraft or non-sufficient fund fees, and gives you access to over 55,000 fee-free ATMs nationwide. The only downside is Roar Money accounts do charge a $1 monthly maintenance fee, but the money you get from referrals is well worth it. I hope this video helped you out a lot and answered any questions you may have had about moneylion. If you have any other questions that I didn't answer, be sure to shoot them in the comments section below. If this benefited you, please be sure to like and subscribe. It really helps this channel out a lot, and it helps me continue doing what I enjoy doing. So thank you for watching, and until next time, save that money.